A heating system with almost zero maintenance, no filter changes, no tune-ups, no repair calls. Let me show you why masonry heaters are different. The secret is simple design. Unlike furnaces with motors, fans, and electronics, masonry heaters have no moving parts. Just a firebox, heat channels, and thermal mass that radiates warmth for 24 hours. The one thing that matters? Use seasoned hardwood under 15% moisture. Wet wood creates creosote buildup. Dry wood reduces it by 80%. Build hot, fast fires for 2 to 4 hours. Clean burning means minimal deposits and maximum efficiency. Annual chimney cleaning, 150 to 250. Compare that to furnaces at 300 to 600 yearly, or heat pumps at 400 to 800. Over 20 years, you save tens of thousands. During annual cleaning, the exchange chambers inside the heater must be cleaned along with the flue pipe. Before each heating season, inspect your firebox for cracks and check that doors seal properly. Weekly during heating season, remove ash and clean the glass. Takes 10 minutes. Monthly, quick visual inspection, about 15 minutes. That's it. A properly maintained masonry heater lasts 30+ years with minimal intervention. For more details, visit our website. Subscribe for more helpful videos. Stay warm and safe.